Can computers think? Can they use reason to develop their own concepts, solve complex problems, play games, understand our languages? Artificial intelligence is an approach to make a computer, a robot, or a product to think how smart humans think. Artificial intelligence is a study of how human brain think, learn, decide and work, when it tries to solve problems. This study outputs intelligent software systems. The aim of artificial intelligence is to improve computer functions which are related to human knowledge, for example, reasoning, learning, and problem-solving. The oldest and still existing use of artificial intelligence is the autopilot in flights that dates to 1914. In the early stage of aviation, aircraft required a pilot to constantly pay attention to fly safely. Flights of many hours led to serious fatigue for pilots. An autopilot system is designed to perform some of the tasks and assist pilots, thereby reducing the workload. Modern autopilot monitors performance, sensors, collision avoidance, and takes in data from pilots to make changes. The term artificial intelligence was initially put forth by John McCarthy in 1956 when he held the Dartmouth Conference, which was the first academic conference on the subject. The human intelligence is intangible. It is composed of reasoning, learning, problem-solving, perception, linguistic intelligence. Major goals of artificial intelligence includes knowledge reasoning, planning, machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, need for artificial intelligence, to create expert systems which exhibit intelligent behavior with the capability to learn, demonstrate, explain and advise its users. Helping machines find solutions to complex problems like humans do and applying them as algorithms in a computer-friendly manner. An artificial intelligence system is composed of an agent and its environment. An agent, for example, human or robot, is anything that can perceive its environment through sensors and acts upon that environment through effectors. Intelligent agents must be able to set goals and achieve them. In classical planning problems, the agent can assume that it is the only system acting in the world, allowing the agent to be certain of the consequences of its actions. However, if the agent is not the only actor, then it requires that the agent can reason under uncertainty. This calls for an agent that can not only assess its environment and make predictions but also evaluate its predictions and adapt based on its assessment. Applications of artificial intelligence. Gaming. Artificial intelligence plays important role for machine to think of large number of possible positions based on deep knowledge in strategic games. For example, chess, river crossing, and Queen's problems and etc. Natural language processing. This is the way to interact with the computer which understands natural language as spoken by humans. Expert systems. Expert systems are machine or software which provide explanation and advice to the users. Vision systems. Visions are systems which understand, explain, and describe visual input on the computer. Speech recognition. There are some artificial intelligence-based speech recognition systems which have the ability to hear and express as sentences and understand their meanings while a person talks to it. For example, Siri and Google Assistant. Handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper and recognizes the shapes of the letters and convert it into editable text. Intelligent robots. Robots are able to perform the instructions given by a human. High-profile examples of artificial intelligence include autonomous vehicles, such as drones and self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, creating art, such as poetry, proving mathematical theorems, playing games, such as chess or Go, Search engines such as Google Search, online assistants such as Siri, image recognition in photographs, spam filtering, prediction of judicial decisions, and targeting online advertisements. Why artificial intelligence can improve productivity. Machines never get tired, can work 24/7, have no emotions or disturbance, can perform a heavy load of work in a faster time, and are less prone to errors if programmed accurately. Compare this with human resources, that is the workforce. At the workplace, there may be emotional issues, stress, lack of sleep, heavy deadlines, holidays or employees on leave, lack of balance between personal and professional life, plus there is usually a trade-off between quality and completion of projects and processes. We are already consumers of artificial intelligence the moment we connect to the internet, and the future is not distant where it will dominate our workplace. Will artificial intelligence eat up jobs? It will not entirely eat up jobs, rather it will generate jobs or lead to a change of roles, provided companies integrate artificial intelligence into their work. Hence change is inevitable.